From concept to consumer, the journey of a Mondoro product. At Mondoro, every product we create represents a journey of creativity, collaboration, and craftsmanship. Whether a custom home decor piece or a large-scale production line, our process is designed to deliver high-quality products that meet our clients' needs and exceed their expectations. Continue watching as we explain how a Mondoro product is conceived, designed, manufactured, and delivered to the market. From the initial concept to when the product reaches the consumer, each phase is driven by our commitment to excellence, sustainability, and innovation. Step 1. Create, from vision to initial design. The journey begins with creation, a phase focused on transforming ideas into actionable concepts. This is where the magic happens, as we work closely with our clients to bring their vision to life. At Mondoro, we believe the best products are born from collaboration. During the creation phase, we 1. Work with our clients to fully understand their needs, preferences, and goals. 2. Use creative brainstorming sessions to explore design possibilities. 3. Research trends, materials, and design techniques to ensure the product meets market demands. Step 2. Develop, perfecting the prototype. Once the concept is finalized, we move into the development phase. This critical step involves creating a sample product to test and refine the design. Crafting the first sample. The first sample is where our vision begins to take tangible form. During this stage, our skilled artisans and manufacturers build prototypes using the agreed-upon materials and specifications. We address any technical or design challenges, making adjustments as needed. Every detail is meticulously examined to ensure the sample aligns with the original concept. Testing and refinement. Once the prototype is ready, we test it for functionality, durability, and aesthetic appeal. This process ensures the product looks good and performs well in real-world conditions. During this phase, we identify and resolve any production challenges, gather feedback from clients and internal teams to refine the design further, ensure that the product can be manufactured consistently and efficiently. The development phase is about getting the details right to move into production confidently. Step 3. Manufacture, bringing the product to life. With the prototype perfected and approved, we move into the manufacturing phase, where the product is produced at scale. This phase is a blend of artistry and precision as we strive to maintain the highest quality standards throughout production. Setting up for production. Before manufacturing begins, we document all processes, materials, and specifications. This includes confirming material availability, establishing production timelines, conducting pre-production meetings to align with all stakeholders. Step 4. Deliver, from factory to consumer. The final step in the journey is delivery, ensuring the finished products reach their intended destinations seamlessly. Packaging and shipping. We take great care in packaging our products to protect them during transit. This includes using high-quality materials to prevent damage, labeling shipments clearly to avoid confusion, coordinating with reliable logistics partners to ensure timely delivery. Customer satisfaction. At Mondoro, we view delivery as the start of the product's journey with the consumer. We strive to ensure that products arrive in perfect condition, ready to be displayed or used. Our clients have a positive experience from start to finish. Creating a home decor product is a journey that requires creativity, precision, and collaboration. At Mondoro, we're proud to guide our clients through this process, transforming ideas into tangible products that bring joy to consumers worldwide. Whether you're looking to create a custom product or scale up production for an existing design, Mondoro has the expertise, resources, and dedication to make it happen. Contact us today to start your journey from concept to consumer. If you're interested in exploring our complete collection of lookbooks and discovering more about our designs, please contact us at sales@mondoro.com. We'd be happy to share the full range of our creations and discuss how we can help bring your vision to life. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.